Looking for the smarter Bluetooth keyboard for iPad? Meet the brilliant and handsome DUX Bluetooth keyboard from Smarter Than Most STM Goods. DUX gives you the ingeniously designed Bluetooth keyboard case with rugged bump protection and full iPad experience you've been searching for. Finally, what's smarter about DUX? Glad you asked. How about Mil-Spec drop protection? Like all STM Goods DUX cases, this one is built to take the bumps, so your iPad doesn't even know it happened. How about super simple installation and Bluetooth pairing? Piece of cake. Then there's the fully functional trackpad and keyboard, complete with all the gestures and shortcut function keys you'd expect from a standalone keyboard. It also has the amazing 180-degree infinity stand that hinges easily to any angle and holds your iPad securely in place. And for those terrifyingly clumsy moments, the keyboard is spill resistant. Phew. And if you have little curious ones using it, the keys are pry resistant too. Stop those adorable little stinkers. It even has protective storage for your Apple Pencil or Logitech crayon, right in the case. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The DUX Bluetooth keyboard case can keep you typing for up to 84 hours on a single charge. You'll run out of energy long before it does when the case is folded all the way over into tablet mode. The keys stop working to prevent any accidental keystrokes. No more surprise emojis sent to your mother-in-law. And you'll love this. To keep your camera capturing all those priceless moments, the corner folds down and magnetically snaps out of place. The DUX Bluetooth keyboard is truly the smarter keyboard case for your iPad. Try it for yourself and see just how much smarter it is. Rugged, capable, easy to use, and long-lasting. That's smarter than most, just like you.